In this series, we've been building a complete media server, step by step, beginner friendly, no fluff. In this video, I'm going to give you a big picture overview of all the tools we're using, what each one does, and how they all connect together into a fully automated media system. If you've ever felt confused about what Radarr does versus Sonarr, or why you need Prowlarr, this is the video that clears it all up. Before we jump into the apps, let's quickly talk about the goal. We're building a system that can find movies and TV shows automatically, download and organize them neatly, stream them to any device in your home, rip your physical DVDs and Blu-rays into digital files, compress and optimize large video files for storage, and bring all your media into one clean library, all with minimal manual work once set up. Let's start with the heart of the system, Jellyfin. Jellyfin is your media server and player. Think of it like your personal Netflix. It scans your media library, organizes everything with posters, descriptions, and metadata, and lets you stream your content to your phone, your TV, or browser. Without Jellyfin, you just have files. With Jellyfin, you have a polished streaming experience. MakeMKV is used to rip DVDs and Blu-rays and convert them into digital files. It preserves the original quality of your media, making it perfect for archiving, but the file sizes can be quite large. HandBrake is used to compress and convert video files into more efficient formats. After ripping with MakeMKV, you can use HandBrake to reduce file size while maintaining good quality, making your library easier to store and stream. Radarr is dedicated to movies. You tell it what movie you want, and it will automatically search for them, send them to your downloader, rename and organize them into your library. It's your automated movie manager. Sonarr focuses on TV shows. It works just like Radarr, but with extra intelligence for episodic content, tracking seasons, episodes, and even automatically downloading new releases as they air. Prowlarr connects your systems to indexes, which are sources used to find downloadable content. Instead of configuring indexes in multiple apps, Prowlarr manages everything centrally and syncs it with Radarr and Sonarr. Think of it as the search engine for your entire setup. qBittorrent is your download client. When Radarr or Sonarr finds something, it sends a job to qBittorrent, which handles the actual downloading. Once complete, the files are handed back for sorting and organization. Now here's how everything connects. Rip disks with MakeMKV if you own physical media. Compress files with HandBrake if needed. Request a movie in Radarr or a show in Sonarr. Prowlarr finds available sources. qBittorrent handles the transfers and downloads. And Radarr and Sonarr organizes the files. Lastly, Jellyfin detects it and makes it available to stream. Once configured, this process becomes almost completely automatic. Quick disclaimer before you go any further, this setup is intended for managing and organizing content you legally own or have rights to access. Downloading copyrighted material without permission may be illegal in your country. Always make sure you understand and follow your local laws and regulations when using these tools. In this series, we're using Docker Desktop because it keeps everything isolated, easy to manage, easy to update, and simple to rebuild if needed. It's one of the easiest ways to get started, especially for beginners. But it's important to know this setup isn't limited to just Docker Desktop. You can run this entire media server on Docker Desktop, a NAS like Synology or QNAP, a dedicated home server, or even a standard Linux or Windows machine. The tools and overall setup remain the same. Docker just makes it cleaner and easier to manage. If you want to dive deeper into any of these tools, I've created a step-by-step beginner tutorials for each one. You'll find the links to all individual setup videos in the description below so you can follow along and build your system piece by piece. In the next video, we'll go step by step into each of these tools, starting from scratch and getting them fully working together. If you want to build your own fully automated media server, make sure you follow along with this series. And if this overview helped you understand the bigger picture, give this video a like and consider subscribing. If there is a tool I haven't mentioned here that you would like to see, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.